So the step number one would be you need to open your device manager, search your device manager, and you need to open your network adapters, and here go on view, and here you need to locate show hidden devices. In some case, if you locate your hidden device, if you locate your Wi-Fi device anywhere hidden here, you need to right click on it and see in properties if it's really your device. And if you locate it here, that means you need to go on action, and here go on scan for hardware changes, click on it. And after that, if the network was hidden or disabled by any cases intentionally or unintentionally, it will fix that issue. And if you locate your device here, that means you can locate your device in your Wi-Fi settings as well. If this fix your issue, good. If this does not, then the step number two will be. So after that, you need to go on the start menu, right click on it and go on to settings. Here you need to locate network and internet, click on it, and here scroll down, go on advanced network settings. Here you need to scroll down until you find network reset. And for the network reset, then you need to reset your network from here, and after that restart your PC. If that doesn't fix your issue, what you need to do, you need to come here below and right click on the network settings, go on diagnose network problem. After that, it will diagnose your network problem, and if the problem is there, that it will tell you the details about the problem and also tell you the solution. If the Windows is there to help the fix, then that means you can get your network problem successfully. And these were all the methods that could fix your problem, software related problems about the network. And if does not, you need to reset your PC. So you can do it from here and go on settings, and here search for reset this PC, and there you go, reset PC. After that, reset your PC and install all the drivers, and see if the problem is fixed. If the problem isn't fixed, that means it's not a software problem anymore, it's just related to the hardware. Then this was it about my video. If you like the video, please hit like, subscribe and share, and thank you. Have a nice day.